Hi everyone, welcome to the topic Syllogisms Part 4. In this video we can discuss possibility conclusions in syllogisms. Part 1 is related to introduction of syllogisms and it tells about the relations present in syllogisms. All, no, some not. And part 2 is related to complementary pairs or complementary functions. In part 3 there are 20 very important questions asked in different examinations. All the questions present in these 3 videos are related to only definite conclusions, not all possibilities. In this video we can discuss possibility conclusions. Possibility conclusions are different from definite conclusions. Possibility is nothing but it can be. There are many possibilities for some statements. See, first example, first statement, some books are pencils. Here, suppose this is for books. Some books are pencils. This circle is for pencils. This is intersection part of books and pencils. Second statement, all pencils are erasers. All pencils are erasers. This outer circle is for erasers. Third statement is no eraser is pen. Draw no relation. This side or this side anywhere. No relation. No eraser is pen. This is a pen circle. This is Venn diagram for these 3 statements. This is a basic diagram, not possibility diagram. This is only basic diagram. For every question, first of all, draw this basic diagram. If there are any possibility conclusions, then go for possible diagram. See in this diagram, for erasers and pen, what is the relation? No relation. So, we can't draw this pen circle inside of these erasers because there is no relation in between erasers and pen. There is no connection in between erasers and pen. See, I can draw this pen circle in this books. See, this is pen. This is one possible diagram. Draw your own possible diagram, but this diagram should not violate the statements. Again read the statements. Some books are pencils. See, some books are pencils. Yes, correct. Second statement, all pencils are erasers. All pencils are erasers. Yes. And third, no eraser is pen. Is there any connection in between pen and eraser? No eraser is pen. No eraser is pen. There is no connection. Means I can draw no relation in between eraser and pen. This is eraser. For suppose see here. This is a no relation. No relation in between pen and eraser. This diagram should not violate all these statements. That's why this is one of the possible diagrams. Now see the second possible diagram. I can draw pen circle here. This is a pen. There is no relation in between erasers and pen. Means here no eraser is pen. And first statement, some books are pencils. Okay. And all pencils are erasers. Okay. And third one, no eraser is pen is also okay. Here this is also another possible diagram. And this diagram not violates statements. That's why this is also one of the possible diagrams. For one basic diagram, there may be 2 or more possible diagrams. But each and every possible diagram should not violate the statements. Then we can say that is the correct possible diagram. Now see first question in possibility conclusions. Statements. First statement, some windows are doors. Windows, some windows are doors. Second statement, all doors are walls. All doors are walls. Third statement, no wall is room. No wall is a room. This is basic diagram. This is intersection part of windows, doors and windows, walls. Now what is the conclusion? First conclusion, all rooms being windows is a possibility. So I want to draw a room circle in this windows circle. All rooms being windows is a possibility. Now check statements. If this diagram violates the statements, then this is not a possible diagram. And this possibility conclusion is false. First statement, some windows are doors. Some windows are doors. Okay. And second statement, all doors are walls. All doors are walls. Yes. And third statement, no wall is room. No wall is room. There is no connection in between room and walls. So, no room is wall. Yes, it is also true. This possible diagram does not violate all these statements. That's why this conclusion, possibility conclusion is true. We can write this room inside of this windows. All rooms being windows is a possibility. It is true. So, first conclusion follows. True. Second conclusion, some rooms being windows is a possibility. Some rooms being windows is a possibility. First one is all rooms being windows is a possibility. Second one is only some rooms. See, now I want to write some rooms being windows is a possibility. Here, this is rooms circle. Some rooms. Some means this is a some part. Okay. And there is no connection in between rooms and walls. So, all statements are correct from this diagram also. So, second conclusion is also true. Answer for this question is both 1 and 2 follow. In this video, totally there are 10 questions. 3 questions only on possibility conclusions and remaining 7 questions on definite conclusions and as well as possibility conclusions, means mixing. In most examinations, they are asking mixing of definite conclusions and possibility conclusions. Do concentrate on each and every question on this video. And I want to explain only 8 questions. Remaining 2 questions are for your practice. Do practice and write your answers in comment section. Now let us move to the second question. See statements. First statement, some bats are balls. Some bats are balls. This is intersection part. Second statement, some balls are wickets. This is intersection part of balls and wickets. Third statement, all wickets are cricket. All wickets are cricket. And fourth statement, all cricket are players. All cricket are players. Fifth statement, no player is dancer. No player, no relation. No player is dancer. This is basic diagram. Now see conclusions. All conclusions are on possibility. First conclusion, all dancers being wicket is a possibility. Clearly it shows we can't write this dancer inside of this wicket because there is no relation in between players and dancer. Means there is a relation. Which relation? No relation. So we can't connect this dancer to this cricket and we can't connect this dancer to this wicket. But we can connect this dancer to these balls and we can connect this dancer to these bats. First conclusion is all dancers being wicket is a possibility. We can't write this dancer inside of this wicket. If we write this dancer inside of this wicket, then statement's violation occurs. But suppose if I write this dancer, all dancers being wickets is a possibility. Okay, this is a dancer. Now see statements. Some bats are balls. Okay. Some balls are wickets. Okay. And all wickets are cricket. Okay. And all cricket are players. Okay. But see fifth statement. No player is a dancer. No player is a dancer. But if we write this dancer inside of this wicket, this statement violation occurs. If we draw this dancer inside of a wicket, then what will be the conclusion? All dancers are players. But that is not true. Here statement is no player is a dancer. That's why first conclusion does not follow. And see second conclusion. Some bats being dancer is a possibility. Some bats being dancer is a possibility. Yes, it is true. Because there is no relation. There is no relation in between players and dancers. Because of these players, there is no relation in between cricket and dancer. Because of these players, there is a relation, no relation in between wickets and dancer, because entire wicket is present in players and entire cricket is present in players. But we can connect this dancer to these balls and this dancer to these bats. See second conclusion, some bats being dancer is a possibility. Some bats being dancer. I want to write dancer here. But suppose this is a dancer. Some bats being dancers is a possibility. See, there is a relation, no relation in between this dancer and players. Okay. So, all statements are true. Means this possible diagram does not violate statements. That's why second conclusion is true. Now see third conclusion. All dancers being balls is a possibility. All dancers being balls is a possibility. Yes. I can draw dancers circle within balls. All dancers being balls is a possibility. There is no connection in between dancers and players. So it is true. Third conclusion, true. And fourth one, some dancers being cricket is a possibility. Some dancers being cricket is a possibility. That is false. Because there is no relation in between players and dancers. So we can't write this dancer inside of this cricket. That's why some dancers being cricket is a possibility is false. So fourth conclusion does not follow. False. Answer for this question, only 2 and 3 follow. For suppose in the case of fourth conclusion, some dancers being cricket is not a possibility. There is a word not. Some dancers being cricket is not a possibility, then that is true. But here there is no word not, that's why that is false. Now see third question, statements. Some apples are mangoes. Some apples are mangoes. Intersection part of apples and mangoes. Some mangoes are papayas. Some mangoes are papayas. And all papayas are oranges. All papayas are oranges. No orange is Goa. No orange is Goa. And some Goa are grapes. Some Goa are grapes. This is grapes. This is intersection part of grapes and Goa. This is basic diagram. Now check for conclusions. First conclusion, some grapes being orange is a possibility. Some grapes being orange is a possibility. Here actually there is a relation. Which relation? No relation in between oranges and guava. So we can't write this guava inside of these oranges. And also inside of this papaya, because entire circle, entire papayas is present in oranges. Means we can't connect this guava to this oranges and this guava to this papaya. But we can connect this guava to this mango and this guava to this apple. And coming to grapes, and we can connect these grapes to apple, these grapes to mango, and these grapes to papaya, and these grapes to orange. First conclusion, some grapes being orange is a possibility. Some grapes being orange is a possibility. I want to draw some grapes being orange is a possibility. Possibility diagram. See. This is grapes and this is some part. Some grapes being orange is a possibility. There is a connection in between grapes and guava. I want to write here guava. This is guava. Now see statements one by one. Again, some apples are mangoes and some mangoes are papayas. All papayas are oranges. And no orange is guava. No orange is guava. S. Statement not violated. Because no orange is guava. There is no connection in between orange and guava. Fifth one. Some guava are grapes. Okay. Some guava are grapes. So here this conclusion does not violate these statements. This is a possible diagram. Okay, up to here this is a possible diagram. So first conclusion follows. True. Now see second conclusion. All grapes being apples is a possibility. All grapes being apples is a possibility. This is a grapes circle. All grapes being apples is a possibility. And this is guava. And again same, no orange is guava. No orange is guava. There is no connection in between guava and orange. And some guava are grapes. Some guava are grapes. So second conclusion is also true. Answer for third question is 1 and 2. Both conclusions follow. Now see fourth question. From this question, there are conclusions, definite conclusions and possibility conclusions. First statement, no song is lyric. This is song and this is lyric. No song is lyric. Second statement, some proses are poetries. Go for third statement. All lyrics are poetries. All lyrics are poetries. Now coming to second statement. Some proses are poetries. Some proses or poetries. This is basic diagram. Now see conclusions one by one. First conclusion. Some poetries are not songs. This is a definite conclusion, not possibility conclusion. Some poetries are not songs. This circle is for poetries and this is for songs. Some poetries are not songs. Yes, it is true because there is a relation, no relation in between songs and the lyrics. And some poetries means this lyrics part. This lyrics part is not songs. So first conclusion follows. Okay. Second conclusion. Some lyrics are proses. Some lyrics are proses. Here see, this is a lyrics circle and this is a prose circle. There is no direct connection in between these two, lyrics and prose. So some lyrics are prose. That is false. If you have any doubt in definite conclusions, please do watch part 1, part 2 and part 3. Then watch this part 4 video. Now see third conclusion. All prose being songs is a possibility. All prose being songs is a possibility. Yes, we can connect this prose and songs. Now I want to draw possible diagram. This is songs. All prose being songs is a possibility. There is a connection in between prose and poet. Some proses are poets. Means see here. This is a poet and this is some part, intersection part of poetry and proses. And all lyrics are poetries. So all lyrics are poetries means I want to write lyrics here. All lyrics are poetries. Once again check statements. If this diagram not violates any statement, then this is a possible diagram, then that conclusion is true. Now see, no song is lyric. No song is lyric. S. No song is a lyric. And some proses are poetries. Some proses are poetries. S. And third statement, all lyrics are poetries. All lyrics are poetries. S. True. So third one follows. Fourth conclusion, all poetries are songs. All poetries are. This is a definite conclusion. So check at basic diagram only, not at possible diagram. This is only for possible conclusion. Here all poetries are songs. All poetries are songs. That is false, not true. Answer for fourth question is only one and third conclusion follows. Now see fifth question. Some movies are cinemas. Some movies are cinemas. Intersection part of movies and cinemas. Second statement, no serial is art. Okay, go for third one. Some cinemas are art. Some cinemas are art. Now coming to second statement, no serial is art. No serial is art. This is a serial. This is basic diagram. Now see conclusions. First conclusion, that is a definite conclusion. Some movies are art. Some movies are art. We can't say that because there is no direct relation in between movies and art. That is a definite conclusion. So check in this basic diagram. We can't say some movies are art. That is false. Go for second one. All serials being movies is a possibility. All serials being movies is a possibility. Yes, sir. We can connect this serial to this movie. There is no connection in between art and serial. That means there is a relation. Which relation? No relation in between art and serial. In possibility diagrams, we can connect this serial to this cinema and this serial to this movie. So here, all serials being movies is a possibility. All serials being movies is a possibility. Yes, we can draw. We can draw these serials in this movie. But suppose see here. This is a possible diagram. This is a serial. All serials being movies is a possibility. Yes, it is true. If you have any doubt, again go for statements. Check one by one. If any statement violates, then this is not correct. Otherwise, this possibility conclusion is true. Second one, possibility conclusion is true. Third conclusion, some serials are not cinemas. Some serials are not cinemas. We cannot say some serials are not cinemas because this is alone part. But suppose some cinemas are not serials, then that is correct. Because of this art, we can say this intersection part is not serials. That's why some cinemas are not serials is correct. But not some serials are not cinemas. So, third one, not true. Go to fourth one. No art is a movie. no art is a movie. See here, first conclusion and fourth conclusion. Very important question. See here, some movies are art. Only one alone is not possible, not correct. And only fourth one is not correct. See both 1 and 4. Some movies are art. And what is the complementary pair for some? That is no. And what are the subjects and predicates? Movies and art. Now see, first one is some movies are art and fourth one is no art is a movie. Movie and art, these two are not connected. So apply complementary pair. In given conclusions, there is a complementary pair of movies and art. Some movies are art and no art is a movie. Here subject and predicate is interchanged in fourth conclusion. In some and no case there is no problem. So this is a complementary pair. So apply either or. So what is the answer for this question? Either 1 or 4 follows and conclusion 2 definitely follows. So answer is only 2 and either 1 or 4 follow. Now see 6th question. All keys are locks. All keys are locks. Some keys are bars. Some keys are bars. No bar is handle. No bar is handle. This is basic diagram. First conclusion, all keys being handles is a possibility. All keys being handle is a possibility. Actually, there is no connection between bars and handles because there is no relation in between bars and handles. Here conclusion is all keys being handles is a possibility. All keys, not some keys, all keys. All means this intersection part also. All keys being handles is a possibility. For suppose this keys is present inside of this handles. All keys. Then some bars are keys. What about some bars are keys? That is false. So statement violation is occurs. That's why first conclusion false. For suppose in the case of first conclusion some keys are handles is a possibility, then that will be true. But here all keys means some part of bars is also handles. But here clearly says no bar is a handle. That's why first conclusion is false. Second one, some locks are handles. Some locks are handles. No, that is false. And third one, some locks are bars. Some locks are bars. It's true. This intersection part. Some locks are bars. So third one is true. Second one false. And fourth one, all bars are locks. All bars are locks. False. Some bars are locks is true. Some bars are keys is true. But not all bars are locks. So answer for this question is only 3 follows. Now see 7th question. First statement, some sharks are fishes. Shark, fish. Some sharks are fishes. Some dolphins are not sharks. Some dolphins are, suppose this is a dolphin. Some dolphins are not sharks, some not relation. For some not, I want to use this type of arrow. Some dolphins are not sharks. Okay. Next, no dolphin is a whale. No dolphin is a whale. No relation. Here this circle is for whale. Basic diagram is completed. Now go for conclusions. First conclusion, Some dolphins are fishes. Some dolphins are fishes. We can't say because there is no direct relation in between dolphins and fishes. And some whales are sharks. Some whales are sharks. Again same. There is no direct relation. We can't say, that is false. And third one, all dolphins being fishes is not a possibility. All dolphins being fishes is not a possibility. I can draw this dolphin's circle inside of this fish. Because here there is a connection in between the shark and dolphin. Which connection? Which relation? Some not relation. And there is no connection in between dolphin and whale. We can connect this dolphin to this fish. We can write this dolphin to this fish. But here in conclusions, all dolphins being fishes is not a possibility. There is a word not. That's why that is false. But suppose all dolphins being fishes is a possibility, then that is true. Suppose see, I want to draw this dolphins here in fishes. This is a dolphin. And now check for statements one by one. Some sharks are fishes. Yes, true. Some dolphins are not sharks. Okay, some dolphins are not sharks. Okay, true. And no dolphin is a whale. No dolphin is a whale. We can draw like this. No relation. Yes, true. We can write this dolphin inside of a fish. But here all dolphins being fishes is not a possibility. That's why that is false. Now fourth one. Some fishes are not whales. Some fishes are not whales. Don't check definite conclusions in a possibility diagram. Okay, this is a possible diagram. Now check for that. Some fishes are not whales. Some fishes are not whales. We cannot say because there is no direct relation in between fishes and whales. So fourth conclusion false. All conclusions are false. None follows is answer for this question. None follows. Now see eighth question, very important question. Some ships are boats. Ships are boats. No rover is a cruise. Go for third statement. All rovers are boats. No rover is a cruise. No rover and this is cruise. Some ships are boats. This is intersection part. This is basic diagram. Now check for conclusions. Some ships are rovers. Some ships are rovers. We can't say. And second one. All boats being cruise is not a possibility. All boats being cruise is not a possibility. Yes, it is true. Because here there is no relation in between rovers and cruise. All boats being cruise is not a possibility. Yes, it is true. Because if I draw this boat's circle inside of this cruise, then statement's violation occurs. Which statement? No rover is a cruise. Statement violation occurs. Second conclusion follows. For suppose all boats being cruise is a possibility, then that is false. Here is not a possibility. Yes, that is true. And third one, no ship is a cruise. No ship is a cruise. There is no direct relation in between ship and cruise. We can't say that. Then fourth one, no ship is a rover. No ship is a rover. There is no direct relation. Apply complementary pair. No ship is a rover. Fourth one. See first one, some ships are rovers. Some and no complementary pair. So either one or 4 follows. Answer for this question 2 definitely follows. and either 1 or 2 follows. Only 2, either 1 or 4 follow.